for lunch today. I thought I'd make a caprese salad since it's very simple to make and absolutely delicious. There isn't much you need for this, just a tomato, some fresh mozzarella, basil, olive oil, and a balsamic vinaigrette. You want to first start with a tomato and then some mozzarella and some basil. And then you'll want to just keep lining this up until you're all done. Once everything is lined up, you go ahead and drizzle on some olive oil. And this is not going to work so well with, there we go. And once you have your olive oil, then you can go ahead and add your balsamic. And some people like to heat this up first and then let it cool because it helps thicken it. But I'm in a rush, so I'm just going to do this. And there you have it, a nice, easy caprese salad for lunch.